Once again, we have the second review of the BMW M3. Great torque band. The steering is perfect, actually. Look at that. It feels like such a light car. Third gear, it's accelerating so nicely. I'll show you the brake action. Perfect brakes. I didn't even have to brake that far in advance. Push it in. Oh, it's perfect. No understeer there, no oversteer. Great looking car. It's not going to slide unless you really want it to. I mean, it's an incredible car. The steering feels very responsive. And look at that. Easy power slide, easy. Very controllable. Such a high red line too, at 8,400. I mean, it doesn't lose any of that power. You can put it in a low gear and it still is ready to kick. See, that's great. Great torque band. Not losing anything. Track there. What a manageable car. Even when it goes off the track, it's so manageable. Great sound. I mean, listen to that. Listen to that V8. It's one of my favorite sounds in the world. That V8 grunt. It's so easy to drive, too. Power through the turns with ease. Nice looking dashboard as well. I'd like to thank you for watching this review.